In December 1993, I visited India on assignment with the National Institute of Hydrology, NIH. The assignment included a 3-week stay in Patna, Bihar, at NIH's Ganga Plains Regional Center. While there, I visited the Kosi project in eastern Bihar and neighboring Chhatra, Nepal. I was accompanied by 3 staff engineers from the center. The trip to the Kosi River Valley took our party to the town of Birpur, where we settled down for lunch at a place conspicuously labeled Hotel Deluxe. To my surprise, I noticed that there were no eating utensils, so I made a point of requesting them. In the meantime, my companions proceeded to eat without the utensils. 10 minutes later, I again requested the utensils. The person in charge told me very politely that he had sent somebody to look for them. It took another 10 minutes for them to produce the utensils. Apparently, they had looked for them all over town. Later, I realized that there are 4 ways of eating. 1. With a knife and fork, as in most of the Western world. 2. With chopsticks, as in Asian countries. 3. With a tortilla or flatbread, as in some parts of Mexico, the Arab world, and Africa. And 4. With the fingers, as in many parts of India.